If you own a 2017 Hyundai Tucson and have ever wondered what that little drive mode button actually does, this quick guide will show you exactly how to use it. First, sit in the driver's seat and look down toward the center console around the gear selector area. You'll find a button labeled Drive Mode. This single button lets you change the vehicle's driving mode. On the 2017 Tucson, the available modes are Normal, Eco and Sport depending on the vehicle configuration. Let's start with Sport mode. With the vehicle running, simply press the Drive Mode button. Watch the instrument cluster as you press it. The display will indicate that Sport has been selected and the Sport indicator will illuminate. And that's it. You don't need to move the gear selector into a separate position just to activate the drive mode. The drive mode button controls the system. So what actually changes when you select Sport? This is more than just a different word appearing on the dashboard. According to Hyundai's information for the 2017 Tucson, Sport mode adjusts the vehicle's driving dynamics by changing the electric power steering and the engine and transmission control logic. You may also notice that the engine holds higher RPM for longer after you release the accelerator, while automatic upshifts can be delayed during acceleration. In other words, the vehicle is configured to give you a more performance-oriented driving response rather than prioritizing fuel economy. There's another thing many owners may not realize: Sport mode is not permanently locked in after you turn the vehicle off. When you restart the engine, the drive mode returns to normal. So if you want Sport mode again, you'll need to press the drive mode button again. You can also cycle through the available modes using that same button. So if you accidentally select Sport, simply press the button again until you reach the mode you want. One more important point: Hyundai notes that fuel efficiency may decrease while using Sport mode, so Sport is better thought of as a driving response setting, not a way to get better fuel economy. And if you're checking the dashboard to confirm the selection, the Sport indicator is your quick confirmation that the mode is active. So, to recap, locate the drive mode button beside the shifter, press it until Sport appears on the instrument cluster, and the Tucson will activate its Sport driving settings. Turn the vehicle off and restart it, and it will return to normal mode. That's all there is to it. And that's it. You've now switched your 2017 Hyundai Tucson into Sport mode. If this quick guide helped you, please consider leaving a super thanks to support the channel. It really helps me continue making simple, useful car tutorials. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Hyundai Tucson guides. Thanks for watching.